Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to create user roles and add team members in ihakimi Lite. This is the dashboard screen. From the left side menu, navigate to Workspace and open the Roles and Permissions section. Here you will see all existing roles available in your account. To create a new role, click on Add New Role. Now enter a name for the role. For example, you can create roles such as Sales Agent, Team Leader, Support Executive or any role based on your business requirements. Once the role name has been entered, you can configure the permissions for that role. Select the modules and actions that the role should have access to. You can allow or restrict permission for different sections of the platform depending on the responsibilities of that user. After selecting the required permission, click Save. The new role now been created successfully and will appear in the roles and permission list. Next, let's add a team member. Navigate to the Team Members section. On this page, click on Add Team Member. A form will appear where you need to enter the team member's details, enter the user's full name, email address, mobile number, password or any other required information. Next, select the role that you created earlier from the role drop-down. You can also assign the user to a specific board, department or team based on your account setup. After filling in all the required details, click Save. The system will create the new team member account and assign the selected permissions automatically. Once the team member is added successfully, the user will appear in the team members list and can start accessing the platform according to the assigned role permission. This role-based access system helps ensure that each user only has access to the features and information relevant to their responsibility.